While the tense standoff continues in the Crimea, imagine a world where the region's oldest inhabitants are once again caught in the crossfire. Crimea's Muslim Tatars first arrived in the 14th century, riding at the side of Genghis Khan. The Tatars settled there peacefully, enduring the occupation of the Ottoman Empire, the Russian Tsars, and eventually the Bolsheviks. Then came World War II, when Soviet leader Joseph Stalin accused the Tatars of collaborating with the Nazis. And on May 18, 1944, a day still remembered with flowers and tears, Stalin deported the entire population, some 200,000 people, to Siberia and Central Asia. Half died on the way, and not a single Tatar was left in Crimea. And yet, in the 1990s, they returned to their homeland, and the population has grown to over 250,000 now. Although they have their differences with the Ukrainian government, the Tatars remain fiercely loyal to the land of their ancestors, prepared to take a peaceful stand against the Russian steamroller.